10. That's what it is. Are you ready?
Good job, Guaps.
That's just,
Okay, my turn.
okay.
I should have moved this.
1, 2. Okay.
I'm not good at this, but I'm gonna try.
You got a prize. Wait. Yeah. You have to, it won't start collecting air unless you put a BB in. Now you can, 1, 2, 3.
That's kind of hard.
4.
See, it's getting hard.
Yeah. 6.
I'm not a good gun one, Guaps.
Okay, now just try it.
I'm not a good gun one.
It's because you were never compressing the air. Ta-da! 3 tries and you get a prize.
Yeah, but I didn't knock it.
Still running. You don't need to knock it down, you hit it.
It's your turn.
See, because you weren't doing the bolt action first, it was never compressing air. So,
Good job, Guaps.
yep, you gotta make sure there's a BB going in. 1.
10 times.
These cans are thick, so you're not putting holes in them.
Yeah. But you hit it.
Yep. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, one more for me. We're target shooting. We're just practicing. Just for fun.
You're all set. You got a prize. That's 3 in a row. Oh, it won't.
Oh, yeah.
You have to. Yep.
They're getting harder
Yep.
when you do that first.
Uh-oh. You just lost your prize.
Alright.
No prize there.
Thanks. Be careful.
See you next time.
See you next time.